डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज हम वीडियोस देखने वाले कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स के एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन. दिस इज द वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड दिस इज द वेरी आस्किंग इन योर एग्जाम्स फॉर कमिंग द मार्क्स एट 15 marks and 20 marks. So this is a very important question, right? So let's to start the watching the videos and let's start computer graphics. And you are first time watching the videos, so please like and subscribe to my channels and share to your friends. It's very information topics. Like if you interview ask the very simple questions, and you easily given the questions by if you read the MCQs, right? And Viva questions, read MCQ, it give the best answer, right? Let's to start watching the videos and continue. So guys, a pixel is a what's a pixel? The pixel, the B option says smaller addressable screen element, and in computer graphic coordinate I use B locate point on a screen. Which coordinate system is commonly used in 2D graphics? B guys, Cartesian. CRT stand for cathode ray tubes. A ठीक है. In a CRT, the electron beam strikes her on a phosphorus coated screen. Raster scan system display image use a pixel grid line by lines. Random scan system is also known as a B vector display. Which system provided another lines? B. Three electrons guns RGB. DVST stand for A. Digital video storage tubes. A major drawback of a DVST is an B. Cannot display color easily. Flat panel display are a B. Thin and lightweights. Video control is responsible for generating a display signal. Raster scan display processor is used to A. Speed of imaging renderings. Which of the following is the graphic input device? C. Light pens. That's a very simple question. Let's to go in a forward to the unit 2, and a point in 2D graphics is represented as an XY. A straight line between the 2 points is determining using the linear equations. This simplest line drawing algorithm is a direct sloping interact method. The major drawback of the simple line algorithm is be used for floating point operations. DDA algorithm use base a incremental method. Bresman line algorithm use integers arithmetic. Which algorithm is more efficiently Bresman's? Midpoint circle algorithm use what use decision parameter use. Circle drawing algorithm use which symmetry. The options is 8-way. Float file algorithm X require the options seed point. Boundary fill algorithm stop when of the options have the select answers seed point slash node. Above boundary colors are encounter. Bitmap character generation is the answer resolution dependent. Stock method use the option line and curves. Analyzing is used to the option reduce jagged edge. Run length encoding is the options B lossless the compressions. Unit 3. The viewing pipeline transform. A world coordinate to grid coordinate. Which stage map the windows to viewpoints? B. Viewing transformation. The viewing pipelines include a option all of the both. Clippings, projection, windows to viewpoint mappings. The purpose of clipping in the pipeline is to be a removing this part. Window referred to be in a portions the P portion of world coordinate related to a display. Viewports refers to be a device display. Window to viewpoints, viewport transfer involved C. Translation and scaling. Aspect ratio mismatch result in a distortions, and a clipping is determining by visible portion of object. Clipping is performing before by a rendering. Which objects can be clipped? D. All of the both. Cohen Sutherland algorithm use B. Region coded. Each endpoint is assigned to be region coded. A line is completely visible if both endpoint insights and logical end of region code 0 implies B line invisible. This is the most important questions in your exam computer graphics. You are the understanding to learn this concept and solve the question problems and your exam. This is the very best simple questions. Guys, I hope you will be understanding videos. So thank you so much for watching the videos and share the videos to your friend. Thank you so much.